Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add your tickets to the Apple Wallet from Ticketmaster application in 2026. Now to begin with, you need to first of all make sure that you have purchased your tickets via Ticketmaster and that you are logged into your account. So over here, when you are in your account, simply tap on the option of My Events. Over here, it is going to show you all of your upcoming events. So you just have to tap on that particular event, the ticket of which you want to add to your Apple Wallet. Now, when you are inside the ticket section, you are going to see the information about the ticket and this type of QR code as well. So you just have to look for this particular option underneath it that says add to Apple Wallet. When you tap on it, you will be shown this type of event ticket in front of you. It will show you the information about your ticket. So here tap on the option of add on the top right hand corner of the screen. Then you just have to simply confirm it. And this way in no time, you will be able to add your Ticketmaster ticket to your Apple Wallet. At the venue, you just have to simply present your phone and scan the QR code or the barcode for entry. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.